Okay, so now we're gonna make our plaited tassel, and these are a great way to use them as an extender at the end of your bracelet and a way to tie your bracelet off. Divide the colours that you've got left at the end after you've trimmed away all the shorter bits and odds and ends into 3 chunks, and we're just going to do a really tight plait. So I'm going over here, you can plait under, either or works well here. And I would say, especially for your first bracelet, I would plait as much as you possibly can that you have left here, as a way to practice tying your bracelets off and just getting into the dexterity of practicing with these techniques. Now, once you've plaited down, I like to do a few inches just to help. If you're wanting to turn your bracelets into an anklet, here is a great way to add that extender. You want to do about 3 to 4 inches. Oh, I'm plaiting off camera. Hang on, let me just scan that down. Then you want to pull out one thread, just like we did when we were making the bracelet. So choose the thread that you want to tie your plaited tassel off with. And we're going to go over and through, so a little slip knot. And we're going to place our finger where we want that to stop at the end of our plait and pull it into place nice and tight. Now we're going to do 4 of those, each flush underneath each other. So over and through, place your finger where you want that to stop, slide it up a little bit, help it into place so it looks nice and neat. And we're going to do another 2, so over and through, place the finger to hold it into place, and then 1 more. Ooh. Over and through. Again, finger in place, pull it nice and tight, and then give it a little trim. So you can trim off all the other bits of your leftover thread. It makes a cute little stubby tassel. It's really, really sweet. And there we go. We have the end of your bracelet all finished off. And you're going to use this, just like on this one here, to pop through the end, to extend and to tie your bracelet or turn it into an anklet. This is quite a good trick as well, because if you're making it for a friend and not too sure on their size of their wrist, this extender will make sure it's definitely going to fit them. Then lots of people like to take this tassel, once it's on, wrap it over and through, pull it up, and there we go. It's not going anywhere, and then you get a cute little tassel too.